Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to do a fighting action pose, and this is one in which a person is holding a sword and using a thrusting action. It could also be a stick, it could be any straight object, but one that is like a stick or a sword. So to do this, we have to first put down the framework, and the framework is that the most important aspect in this is the arms. The lower body in this case really doesn't matter, and we'll see in a second, because we could do so many things with the lower body. So shoulders, that's arm, elbow, arm, and we have one hand right there, the other hand coming down, elbow going up, and there's some foreshortening here. Or it could come here actually, because if they're together, the hands, it's even better. So we have this right here. So this is foreshortening. This is the forearm, and seen shorter from that angle. Collar structure is right here. The head will be quite essentially right here. Then we have the chest, and of course there's a little bend in this kind of action. So there's the lower body, and then the very important thing of course is to throw in that object that this figure is holding. So it's going right through the hands there, right? So let's say that is, go this way. So that is a sword. So we put the sword in place. Now we could work around the sword. So the first, we have other videos, by the way, that have focused on hands holding a stick, a sword. That's how easy it is. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are the knuckles right there, and that is a thumb. And then going backward, like we could do ovals like that to make it easy, or if we are very confident, we can just go around, put in the forearm with that foreshortening angle right there, go back up, put a bit of the delt in place, going into the pec right there. That is the arm, and that is one arm holding the sword. And then this one, of course, since it's a thrusting action, we are 1, 2, 3, and 4. Thumb is right there. So this, in this particular like thrusting action, this hand is like positioned like that. So there's that force going in there, and I've brought everything down a little bit because it was too wide. So we make changes as we go along, and that's the general principle of things. And there's the outstretched arm. If we were to put in some collarbone structure, we would do that. And essentially the head, of course there's always different options. Could be looking down, could be looking up, but looking that way in this particular pose is very, very sensible placement of the person's vision. And then let's say that we have let's focus on the lower body as well. So you could go like that. That's one leg right there. Knee, shin area. And the other leg right behind. Of course, there might be foreshortening as we have gone here, or you could do something different with your legs and show a certain different angle of placement. So foreshortening right there, shin area with 1 foot placed right there, thigh going backward, and the other leg just going outward right there. So a standing thrusting action. And there's yet other things. We could have the same figure crunching in like lower, and do that. So foot around there somewhere, and then in the same foreshortening angle, place the other leg right here, higher. So I know it's a mess here, but we essentially went with with something like that. Really works. So please do try it out. But the real action is here. The rest is all option. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.